A small incident was expected to end quickly in court. A tiny dog bite case that seemed simple at first. But what happened next shocked everyone in the courtroom. The case started when a woman claimed she was bitten by a small dog while walking past a house. She demanded compensation for medical bills and emotional distress. At first, it looked like a straightforward case, but then the defendant's lawyer stood up. He claimed something completely different. According to him, the dog never attacked anyone intentionally. He said the woman had entered private property without permission. The courtroom suddenly went silent. The judge leaned forward, asking for more details. Then came the first witness. The neighbor said they saw the woman acting strangely before the incident, but another witness gave a completely opposite statement. Now the case was getting complicated. What started as a simple dog bite claim was turning into a full legal battle of truth and lies. The judge ordered security footage to be played in court. Everyone waited silently. When the video started playing, the entire courtroom focused on the screen. What they saw changed everything. The woman was seen stepping into the yard without warning. The dog, reacting in fear, barked and moved forward. It was not an attack. It was a reaction. The courtroom reacted instantly. Some people whispered. Others stayed silent. The lawyer of the plaintiff tried to argue again, but the evidence was clear. The judge raised his hand and paused the argument. After a long silence, the final statement was made. The case was dismissed due to lack of intentional harm. But the courtroom drama didn't end there, because now the question was not about the dog. It was about honesty, truth, and responsibility. And everyone left the courtroom thinking the same thing. How a tiny dog bite case turned into such a shocking legal battle. But the story didn't end when the judge dismissed the case. As people were gathering their files and preparing to leave, the judge suddenly received a note from the court officer. He looked at it, then back at the plaintiff's lawyer. "Court is not fully adjourned," he said calmly. The room went quiet again. The judge explained that the security footage had been sent for a deeper forensic review because something unusual had been noticed in the video, something the courtroom had missed at first glance. The lawyer representing the dog owner frowned. The plaintiff's side looked confused. A few minutes later, the forensic analyst connected the video again. This time, they slowed it down. And then it appeared. A second angle from a nearby home camera showed that the woman did not simply walk into the yard by accident. She had paused outside the gate, looked around, and then stepped in while holding her phone up, as if recording. The atmosphere in the courtroom changed immediately. The judge's expression turned serious. The analyst continued, "The dog's reaction was normal defensive behavior, but there was whole evidence that the woman had previously searched about dog bite compensation claims on her phone days before the incident." Now the case wasn't just about trespassing or injury. It was shifting toward possible intentional claim fabrication. The plaintiff's lawyer quickly requested a recess, but the judge denied it. Then came the turning point. The judge ordered a formal investigation for possible false claim filing. The woman's confidence faded as she was asked to remain standing while the new charges were reviewed. Outside the courtroom, reporters had already begun gathering. What started as a simple dog bite case was no longer simple at all. It had turned into a potential fraud investigation that no one expected when the day began.